Hi guys, welcome back. We are in day 7. We are now going to set up the domain and the Sendgrid SMTP email autoresponder. So where I'm going to show you first, how to set up the domain, then how to create the SMTP account, then how to set up the SMTP with the ClickFunnels.
You will be going to your domains. So when you click on domains, it brings you to this. I've already got 2 domains here, so I've got a free domain already taken. So what you can do is go to add new domain, okay, and you click on this and you will get to the page. It looks like it is taking some time. It will bring us to this page. Okay, so here there are options. One is you can register a new domain through ClickFunnels. It will be free. For the first domain is free, and later on you add more domains, then they will charge you for that. Or you can have your own existing domain. So what I'm showing you the first option, which is basically the one which you should take. So you will have to go to choose domain, and you will have to put a name here. So for example, you want business in a box. Okay. Now it looks like business in a box is already taken, but you can look at something else. Maybe say online free affiliate. So whatever name you want to take it. So it looks like this is available, right? And right now it is showing me some price here, but when you do it for the first time, it will show you get. And that's all. And just follow those steps, and you'll be able to configure you and set your domain on this. Okay. In case you have any problem, just go to the this particular link which I have given you. So it will point you to the help talk given by ClickFunnels on how to do it, and it's very simple. Okay. So if you look at this one, this is domain through ClickFunnels. So there is a video here available which will walk you through the steps. So you will have to go to domain settings like I showed you, add new domain, then you will click on find your domain, you search like what we did, select, and then you will say get. Then it will be able to show you use your free domain. Okay, just follow these steps and then you are through. And then once you have done that, okay, then what we will do is we will configure. So here what will happen is once your domain is set, okay, then we will configure that into ClickFunnels. Okay.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Okay, now our objective is to set up a Sendgrid account. Sendgrid is a tool which you use for SMTP, for sending emails, okay, through ClickFunnels. So here what we're going to do is I'm at sendgrid.com, if you see here, right, and you will see this page which is talking about Sendgrid API campaigns. We're going to use, let me show you the pricing part. So here what we're going to do is we're going to pick up the free one, just for 1 month free, which gives you around 40,000 emails, right, around 100 per day. After that you can send 100 per day. The next one you can take is maybe $9.95, which is currently which I am using, around 100,000 emails per month, which is pretty good once you have picked up the base. So maybe to start with, you can go with the free account and you can say try for free. Here you will be asked to enter your email ID, password, email address, and then it will confirm your email address, and then you say accept. Okay. Once you do this, your account is created. They will send you an email to your email address. I suggest use the email address you're going to use for your business for sending emails to your clients. Okay. So I'm assuming you already have that. So see you in the next video, which is next is we're going to set up the Sendgrid with ClickFunnels.
The next step which we need to do is go to SMTP settings. Now, why are we doing this? This is basically, it will tell ClickFunnels that you can use this particular software, like what I'm using is Sendgrid, and you can use it for sending the emails. Sendgrid is a pretty good software which allows you to give you all the details. Okay? For example, if I go to dashboard, so here I can see how many mails are going, how many are delivered, how many are going, how many clicked, how many bounces, how many spam reports. It gives me all the data on various things, right? And what we are looking now here is basically the mail settings. Okay, and in this I'm going to open the email notification, and this is where we'll have to plug into Sendgrid. Okay, so this is coming from ClickFunnels, and this is how I will show you how you can get this done. So you go to here, you click on, you say add new email integration, okay, and then you can say send email with on. So here, because mine is already configured, you will have to go through the help file to go through this step. And let me show you what is configured for me, okay, so that you can get that idea of what we have done on the settings. So if you look at this, okay, so basically what you do is, once you do it for the first time, you will have to give a name, from name, which is the mail which is going from your side, your email ID from your domain, okay, SMTP server, which you have to copy this smtp.sendgrid.net, SMTP port 587, your username and password when you created the SMTP account for yourself, right? Sendgrid.net, this is standard which you have to use. Here it will come with your domain, and you need to give your address here, okay? And then on the SMTP footer, you have to /un-sub, and here you can put your company name or brand name, and then you put it on default SMTP and saves integration. Once this is done, then you will do verify email settings, okay, and then you will pick this particular stuff from here, you copy and go to Sendgrid. Right, in Sendgrid you will go to configurations. So if I say edit, here you can have to paste your stuff, right, and then you have to click on this drop, bounce, unsubscribe, and mark as spam. Just follow these steps, test your integration, right? Once this is done, which is what it's doing is it is linking Sendgrid with ClickFunnels. So here is a link which is like a webhook which will go there. Okay? So once that is done, you are ready. Okay, your Sendgrid is configured, and then the next step what you have to do once this is done is go to your funnel, right? And in your funnel, you will have to link this integration. Okay, so here what we are doing is settings. Okay. So here if you see there is an SMTP grid. If you come over here, right, and within your funnel inside here, if you go to edit page, here what you will see that we are going to do integration. If you go to settings, there is an integration. So here, okay, let me show you. First, let me just remove mine so that you understand. So what I will do is select integration. So here it will show you Actionetics. You will say select, you can say add to this, and then your list will come. Okay. This means you have done your auto standard integration. Okay, and that's all from this side. I think done. Once this is done, you are through. And so let's exit from here. And then we go to Actionetics. Go to Action Funnel. Right. Select your action funnel. This is settings. Here, so here it will come Sendgrid. From your, once this is done, you will see your setting will come over here. You will have to just select that and then you are through. That means now Actionetics knows it has to use SMTP configuration of yours into this, and then let's say updating it. Okay. Now this will follow throughout. Okay. So that's all from this side. So that means your domain is set up and your email part is set up. Now you are through to, so your funnel can be live onto this, right? While you are doing domain, you can also use GoDaddy, and for that I will provide you a link over there which will help you to set up things. Okay. This is the one. So the easiest one is use the free one from ClickFunnels, free domain, and it will automatically set up everything. Otherwise you have to do manual. In case you have your existing domain, then you will have to configure various settings which I will provide you. So for example, so if you are registering your own domain, okay, so GoDaddy integration here. So here it will tell you exactly what all has to be done. So I'll be providing this link to you where you will have to go to various setups. Then you have to provide these. Then you have to go and set the DNS settings, right, into your. So if you're taken from GoDaddy, you have to go to their DNS settings listing page, and you have to do all these settings over there. And once this is done, then you are ready to go. Okay. In case you face any problem, please feel free to contact me. Okay. It's very easy and nothing to worry. So best is to use, if you use the ClickFunnels free domain, then you don't have to worry about all this stuff. Okay. So okay guys, then see you in the next video. Thank you.